welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today is now the 7th day of October and the 7th day of 31 days of Halloween. And as you can see, I created this jack-o'-lantern look with some glittery teardrops, and I got this idea off of Pinterest. And if I know the girl's name that I seen, I'll leave it down below. But if you just want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright, so the first part of this eye is done. So first off, we are going to be going into the Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Popsicle. And I'm going to be taking this on this little fluffy brush right here and putting it all in my crease. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Sandals on this little flat brush here. Put that on my inner and outer corners. Going back into that first brush and blending that out. Now I'm going to be going into a black on this other flat brush right here and adding that on top of that orange on the inner and outer corners. And then going back into Sandals and packing that over that again. Then on my finger, I'm going to be taking the shade Island and packing that right on the middle. Alright, so I finished up this eye. So I'm going to be doing the same thing to this one right here. And so I'm going to be taking this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. It's in the shade Topaz Twinkle, and it has two sides to it. It has this, just this side right here. It's just like a cream eyeshadow kind of thing, or liquid eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow, whatever. And then this side is just glitter. So I'm first going to be taking this side first, just the light cream side, and I'm just going to be taking the little thing that comes with it. And I'm going to first draw the little triangle thing at the top, starting from my eyebrow. And then I'm going to use the same thing for these little teardrop thingies. And I'm just dipping it right back into there so that I have more on here. And then I'm going to take the side with the glitter and just put this all over the top of this part and on top of the bottom part as well. Alright. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to this eye. I already added some to the other eye. Alright, so now for the mouth, I'm going to take this eyeliner right here, and I'm just going to first outline it. Alright, so now that that's drawn, I'm going to color in most of it, at least around the edges, and then we'll go back and fill in the middle of it with eyeshadow, so we don't have to use as much eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to take, let me find it. I'm going to take this fluffy flat brush, and I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and then just pack it all over the mouth area and fill it in. Now I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and take the shade Popsicle, and I'm just going to put that around the edges of my face.
Like you would bronze it. Except, you know,
Now I'm going to take this felt tip liner from Revlon and draw on a little triangle nose. Alright, so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed watching. I also added a little bit of that glitter that we used on the center of my eyelids. And other than that, that's it. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see my next video, just subscribe and it'll be up tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.